I mean, every time I come down here for diners, drive-ins, and dives, there's a new place I gotta check out, like this joint, Weights and Measures.
Fancy croissant, up.
Food with a little bit of interest. What's not to love?
Chicken shrimp for Jennifer.
Everything is clearly homemade. It's kind of something for everybody.
We were original investors in it. After 5 years, the chef that was one of the partners decided to retire. And I said, Catherine, we're going to take over Weights and Measures.
Here you are, ladies. Gluten-free fettuccine.
Everything that we've had on the menu has been amazing, from salads to chicken to the pulled pork, fresh baked breads.
Short rib sandwich, order up.
The short rib sandwich, it's basically an all-in-one French dip.
You get the perfect little bit of zhuzh when you bite into it. Zhuzh.
What are we making?
The short rib sandwich. We're making Salinger rye bread,
Salinger rye bread.
high gluten flour, rye flour,
Why not?
wheat flour, caraway seeds,
Don't get carried away with that. The hits keep rolling.
fennel seeds, some sugar, dry yeast, molasses, water, and starter.
How long are we gonna let this need? I need to know.
A couple minutes.
Love what you've done with the ceiling. We're gonna let it proof.
Yes.
And what temperature are we gonna cook it in?
375.
Got it.
Now it's time to sear the short rib. Little olive oil. You're gonna season the short rib with salt.
Seared on both sides. I mean, you gotta be serious about it.
Yeah. Carrots, celery, onions. So I take it out and garlic,
Tomato paste,
salt and pepper,
peppercorn,
bay leaf, red wine.
nestle on top. Wood-fired oven.
Yes, about 2 hours. Bread,
Those are some pretty lumberjack slices.
clarified butter, put on the grill.
That's righteous. Good amount of caraway in that.
Horseradish, mayo, short rib,
Look at that.
Gruyere cheese, caramelized onion. Goes in the oven. A couple minutes. A little cress, go back up.
You make the chips too?
Yes.
You make the pickles too?
Yes.
Of course he does. Help, lift my elbow. Oh, thank you. Delicious. Rich, big flavor, the caramelized onions. It's a light, in terms of density, rye bread. It's what you want it to be. Right amount of cheese. Pickle's delicious. It's kind of like a Dynamite pot roast sandwich meets French onion soup. Well done, chef.
Thank you.
Really good.
Thank you.
Real deal.
Short rib sandwiches going in the oven.
The meat is cooked perfectly. It's so tender.
The cheese, the onions, fabulous.
Beef tenderloin up.
We know we will be treated as friends of the family and be treated to great food.
I love the story, the fact that they took over the restaurant, do it with such passion, hand the kitchen over to you. Excellent, man. I didn't expect this. You should be very proud of yourself, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate
Really
it.
accomplished.